What's up guys, Gary Walker here with liveanabolic.com, and in this video I'm going to take you through a shoulder workout that you can do at home using nothing but dumbbells. Cool thing, it doesn't require a whole lot of dumbbells, so if you don't have very heavy dumbbells, you can still get this workout done at home. Alright, and there are three different parts of your shoulder. You've got the anterior delts, which is the front part, the middle or the lateral head, and then the posterior, which is in the back. All right, for the emphasis of this workout and this program, these group of exercises, we're gonna focus on broadening the shoulders, all right? Broad shoulders help bring in that little V taper. It's gonna help you look smaller in the waist. So we're gonna focus on the broadening exercises. Also, the last one I'm gonna show you, make sure you stick around to check it out because I guarantee you it's something you haven't done, all right? It's a very, very good lateral middle delt exercise. I want to make sure you get that implemented into your program immediately. All right, that being said, we're gonna go through, I'm gonna show you how to do each exercise. I'm gonna go through one set and I will give you recommendations after we do each exercise. At the end of the workout, I'll give you recommendations on how many sets you should be doing for the overall workout. It's gonna be fairly quick. The key to this is you want to get through it quickly, okay? Very little rest in between. You want to fill those shoulders full of blood, keep the blood in there, fill them full of lactic acid as well, so it's going to create a great growth environment for your shoulders. All right, the first one we're going to do, it's a two-part exercise. It's going to be a dumbbell shoulder press. However, what we're going to do, let me grab the weights here. All right. You're gonna do 7 reps with a pronated grip. Your palms need to be facing your face, okay? 7 reps, then we're gonna do a slightly neutral and slightly pronated grip. I think I said it correctly the first time. A supinated grip is what I meant if I didn't. The supinated grip is right here, palms facing your face, and you wanna lock see here, you wanna lock that straight, keep your core tight, lock your core nice and tight. I'll show you the couple angles, and then you're gonna do these for 7 reps. It's a small movement. Don't extend too high, okay? It's just a small movement that's gonna target your front delts. 3, 4. From the side. 7. Immediately from here, you're gonna pronate forward, all right? Slightly neutral. This is straight neutral. This is a slight pronation. Same thing, core nice and tight. Control the reps. 5, 6, 7. All right, so 14 total reps is what you're gonna be shooting for. Again, the supinated grip with the partial movement. You're gonna follow that up 7 more reps with the pronated / neutral grip, all right? Not a full pronation, which is gonna bring you out real wide. So that's why I'm trying to keep you right in the middle. It's a little bit better for your shoulder health. All right, so once you do that, you're gonna shoot for 3 sets. Do what I just did, 14 reps, rest 30 seconds to a minute, then do your second set, 30 seconds to a minute, then do your third, all right? Immediately after doing those, we're gonna go into a dumbbell lateral raise. And what we're gonna do here, you're gonna shoot for 12 to 15 reps. For the sake of the video, we'll get 12, so the video's not quite as long. So what you're gonna do after these is immediately go into a dumbbell upright row. Okay, these are really gonna hammer the lateral delts, all right? Followed immediately by the dumbbell upright rows. I don't know if you've seen my video on these before, but it's actually a small movement. You don't wanna bring them up too high. That's gonna potentially hurt your shoulders, set them up for a shoulder impingement. This is more, you're driving these up with your elbows, all right? Relax the grip here elbows up and out. Doing these immediately after the lateral raise, you're gonna really feel a nice burn in your lateral delts, okay? All right, so you've gotten the overhead shoulder press. You've done 2 variations, 3 sets, then you're gonna go straight to this little superset that we just did, and you're gonna do 3 sets of those as well. No rest in between the supersets, but you're gonna rest about 30 seconds to a minute between sets. For instance, the second set, you're gonna go immediately from your 12 to 15 straight into your 12 to 15 of the upright rows, all right? Last thing you're going to do, this is a really cool exercise. One of the main emphasis for the lateral delts is to keep things away from your body. That's why one of the benefits to doing farmer carries, farmer walks, is your lateral delt development. All right, this will allow you to actually go fairly heavy, but doing this at home, it depends on how much weight you actually have. This is a lateral, okay, with dumbbells, lateral delt isometric hold, okay? You're gonna wanna hold these for 15 to 20 seconds, fully relaxed, nice and straight, and then get them out to your side. This is all you're doing. You're not moving the weight, you're keeping them out here for an isometric hold. 12. Count nice and slow as well. And then you would relax, a little rest pause for about 10 seconds, and then you're gonna wanna go straight back into your second set, okay? And you're gonna do 3 sets of this as well. So 3 sets of each of these, you will notice a tremendous, tremendous pump, all right? So again, I just kind of briefly went through these, tried to get through it quick, so you can get through the video quickly so you can get the workout started. But try all of these. Let me know if you have any questions about any of these exercises. It's a really good shoulder program that's gonna help you pack on size to the outer shoulder. So again, you'll notice that when you're wearing shirts, you'll notice it when you're shirtless, because it's gonna help bring in that waistline. It's an illusion. You're obviously not gonna be losing from your waist, however, it will create that illusion because you're broadening your shoulders. And we started with the 2 shoulder presses, which is gonna hammer the front delts, the anterior delts. And then these next 3 exercises that you did are all about the lateral delts. And posterior delts, we didn't really cover in this. Posterior delts, I still like to do slightly throughout the week. However, they get hammered every time you're working your back. Posterior delts are such a tiny muscle. Doesn't take a whole lot of stimulation to work those and make those grow. You can still do some reverse, some bent over reverse rows. There's a lot of different things you can do for your rear delts. However, the main reason I wanted to give you this is to start focusing on those lateral delts and get those shoulders wider. Guys, I apologize, out of breath, but I did just work out again right before this, and I wanted to make sure I got this recorded for you guys. So hopefully you were able to understand me. If you have any questions again about these exercises or about anything else I'm covering, I've been talking about, then comment below, let me know. If there's anything you want me to record for future videos, anything you want me to talk about, cover, clarify, again, comment below. We're checking those comments out, and I want to be able to answer all those questions. Guys, also, I've got a Ripped After 40 program. All you guys that are approaching 40, in your 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s, and beyond, it's a tremendous program. I designed it specifically for you, all right? It's gonna give you tremendous benefits. It's got a lot of these exercises in there. Also has a meal plan attached, cardio attached, so it's a done for you program, paint by the numbers, easy. So just, it's not easy to implement, obviously, because the work is supposed to be hard, but it's easy to follow. So guys, if you got any questions, again, comment. Otherwise, let me know how this workout goes. Do it, come back, comment, let me know. But that's all I got for you guys. Get busy, get after it, and God bless.